Hello everyone. Today we will share some common commands that we use not only in Excel but in everywhere. We know this, but despite of that, I am sharing this for the absolute beginners. So let's start. Here we can see there are six commands here. Control plus C, it was to copy. Control plus V, we use it for paste. Control X for cut. Control Z for undo one step. Control P for print. Control T for creating a table. These are some common commands. We may have to use other commands, but these are some common commands. So uh, let's see. If we want to copy this, then we should click on it, then we should press Ctrl and hold Ctrl. By holding Ctrl, we should click on C, so it is copied. We can see this is selected, and we should place our mouse pointer where we want to paste it. Then for paste, we should uh, use Ctrl plus V command, then Control. By not pulling our finger out of the keyboard, we should press V. So we can see here copy is pasted. Control plus X is cut. Cut is same as copy, but it actually removes from this place. For example, if we want to copy this, we should press Control plus X. So it has been cut, and we if we want to paste it right here, then we should press Control plus V. For paste, we should use always V. For copy or for cut, to paste, we should use Control V. So we can see copy here. Copy is pasted, but from copy is removed from the previous position. So this is the difference between cut and copy. Now we are going one step before Ctrl Z. This is a very important command that we must use. We must know this. Ctrl plus Z, undo one step. Previously it was here, so if we press Ctrl and Z, we can see copy has been removed from here and it is replaced here again. So by pressing Ctrl plus Z, uh, it undoes one step. Control plus P, that is print. We have seen before that we uh, by using Control plus P, we printed the workbook or worksheets. Control plus T is create a table. That means if, this is a table, but if we want to make it as a formal table, then we should select the whole thing. Then we should create Control plus T. This dialog box will appear. Click OK. You will see this table is much more formal than before. It is we can see filters here, so many filters here. We learn filter about filters in our subsequent tutorial. But for now, uh, that is it for today. Thank you very much.